Hello everyone, I am Chelama Reddy. Welcome to CR Maths class. In transformations, previous class we are completed level 1, 11 problems completed. Now see that 12th problem. Students, how to do this problem? Any idea? Tell me. Cos 2b value, how much given? That is cos of a plus c, cos of a plus c divided by cos of a minus c given. Here cos 2b left hand side, right denominator 1. Cos 2b divided by 1 mean that is cos 2b only now. Use componendo dividendo method. Componendo dividendo method. Now I am going to write left hand side like this. 1 minus cos 2b divided by 1 plus cos 2b. 1 means denominator. Denominator what is it? Cos of a minus c minus cos 2b means numerator cos of a plus c, same as in the denominator also. 1 means cos of a minus c plus cos 2b means cos of a plus c. 1 means denominator, cos 2b means numerator. See the left hand side, 1 minus cos 2b formula 2 sine square b, 1 plus cos 2b formula 2 cos square b, and right hand side cos of a minus c minus cos of a plus c, that is 2 sin a sin c divided by denominator cos of a minus c plus cos of a plus c, that is 2 cos a cos c. Here 2 to cancel, here also 2 to cancel. Finally, sine square by cos square, tan square b, that is equal to sin a by cos a, that is tan a, into sin c by cos c, tan c. So here we got tan square b is equal to tan a tan c. So therefore, tan a, tan b, tan c are in which progression? Arithmetic or harmonic or geometric? These are in GP. Already you know the formula. A, B, C are in GP. Then what is the condition? B square is equal to AC or not? Okay, B tan square B is equal to tan A tan C. So tan A, tan B, tan C are in GP series. So which option is correct, students? Third option. A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degrees. Cos 2A plus cos 2B plus cos 2C. Here some shortcut methods are there. A plus B plus C. How many degrees? 180. Sum of the angle 180 degrees. How many angles are there here? 3 angles. 180 divided with 3. Each angle you will get 60 degrees. Each angle you will get 60 degrees. A 60, B 60, and C also 60. This is a shortcut method. Verify that question and option. So if both are satisfied, mean that is a correct answer. For suppose A plus B plus C is equal to 90 degrees. At the time, what we have to take ABC values? 90 degrees divide with 3. Why we are dividing with 3? Only 3 angles are there. So each angle take that 30 degrees. For suppose A plus B plus C 120 degrees. Or 90 degrees completed now, 180. Go to the 270. Each angle is how much? 270 divided with 3. Each angle is how much, students? 90 degrees. Okay. If A plus B plus C, 360 degrees given. 360 divided with 3. Each angle is how much? 120 degrees. Students, are you understood? Sometimes they will give A plus B plus C is equal to 0. At the time, how to take? A value for suppose 30, B value 30. Then what is C value? C value minus 60. 30 plus 30, 60 minus 60. How can we take? Means here three angles are there. This angle divide with 3. Divide with 3. Then you will get the each angle. Okay, here also divide with 3. If A plus B plus C is equal to 0 degrees means, so take that A 30, B 30, C minus 60. Substitute here, the condition will be satisfied or not? That is one of the method. So we can take another one also. If A 45, B 45, and C what we can take? C minus 90. 45, 45, 90. 90 minus 90 0 or not? Or we can take another method also. A 60, B 60. Then what we can take? C minus 120. Then only this condition will be satisfied. Yes or no? If A plus B plus C is equal to 0 degrees, there are different forms, different methods. Okay, right. A plus B plus C 180, 90, 270, 360. Directly divide the angle with 3. Then you will get each angle. Okay. So these are shortcut method. General method you are done means it will take more than 5 minutes time. More than 5 minutes. So by using shortcut method, we can solve within 1 minute. Students, see the 13th question. 13th question. What is sum of the angles? 180 degrees. At the time, what we have to take? A is equal to, B is equal to, C is equal to how much? 60 degrees. Now substitute in the question. 2A, 2 into 60 how much? 120 plus cos 120 plus cos 120. What is cos 120 value? Minus 1 by 2 or not? Minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2. Total how much? Minus 3 by 2. We are substituted in the question. Now go to the options. I am going to verify the first option. 1 minus 4 into sine 60, 1 by 2. Sine 60, 1 by 2. Sine 60, 1 by 2. Overall, see here, 2, 2, 4, cancel. Remaining what is there? 1 minus 1 by 2. That should be 1 by 2. These two are equal. These two are equal. No. So this is wrong answer. Okay. Now go to the second option. 1 plus 4 into sine. So here I'm written mistake. Sorry. What is sine 60 degrees? Root 3 by 2 now. Sine 60 degrees, root 3 by 2. I'm written mistake. Sorry. Root 3 by 2, root 3 by 2, and root 3 by 2. Here 2 2s are 4. It is going to cancel. Now we get 1 minus 3 root 3 by 2. So these two are not coincide, not same answer. So there is wrong answer. Here sine 60 root 3 by 2, root 3 by 2, root 3 by 2. Do the calculation. You will get answer 1 plus 3 root 3 by 2. So these two are not same. That's why this is the wrong answer. I am going to verify that. Fourth option. See here, fourth option. Third option, sorry. See the third option. Substitute the values. Substitute the values. Cos 60, 1 by 2. Cos 60, 1 by 2. Cos 60, 1 by 2. Here, 2, 2, 4, cancel. Remaining, what is there? 1 plus 1 by 2, 3 by 2. But what is the answer here? Minus 3 by 2. This is also wrong answer. First three options wrong means then what is the correct? Fourth option or not? But we want to solve that. Minus 1, minus 4 into 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2. 2, 2, 4 cancel. Minus 1 by 2, minus 3 by 2. Yes, it is satisfied or not? Finally, which option is correct, students? Fourth option. This is a shortcut method. General method means already you are done in IPE, very lengthy method. Okay. So in EAMCET, you are doing like that means it will take more than 5 minutes. The time is not sufficient. That's why follow this method. How to take the values already I explained. If a plus b plus c is 0 degrees is there means there is a difficult. Remaining easy only. In case two options are coincide, go to general method. So at that time we can't do anything. I'm going to do that shortcut method. A plus b plus c 180 degrees. That means what we have to take ABC values. 180 divided with 3. Each angle is 60 degrees. Yes or no? Now here cos square 60 plus cos square 60 plus cos square 60. What is cos 60 value? 1 by 2. Square is there now. So 1 by 4. 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4. How much, students? That is 3 by 4. Now verify the options. Which option is getting 3 by 4? That is the correct answer. But verify 4 options. If you got first option 3 by 4 means don't mark that. Okay, now I'm going to verify the first option. 1 plus 2 into. Here cos 60, how much, students? 1 by 2. Next cos 60, 1 by 2, 1 by 2. So 2 cancel. Overall we get 1 plus 1 by 4. That means 5 by 4. So this is the wrong answer or not? Now see the third option. First option, third option is same. Just the difference is minus and plus. So here we get 1 minus 1 by 4. So this is 3 by 4. So we are expected third option is correct and verify the remaining two also. I'm going to verify that second option. 1 plus 2 into sine 60 root 3 by 2. Sine 60 root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2. Overall, the answer is 1 plus 3 root 3 by 4. This is the wrong answer or not? Same as fourth option also. Second and fourth option, what is the difference? Just minus now. So we get answer 1 minus 3 root 3 by 4. This is also wrong answer. Students, finally, what is the correct answer? Third option. I think all of you understood now. 1 minus 2 into 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2. And fourth option, 1 minus 2 into root 3 by 2, root 3 by 2, root 3 by 2. So by verification method, shortcut method, we got the answer. See the 15th question, what they are given. A plus B plus C 270 degrees. 270 degrees divided with 3. So each angle we get 90 degrees or not? 90 plus 90 plus 90, 270 or not? Now those values substitute in the question. Cos 2a, 2 into 90, 180 plus cos 2 into 180, 2 into 90, 180 plus cos 180 plus 4 into sine. A means 90, sine 90, sine 90, sine 90. Now, what is cos 180, students? Minus 1, minus 1, minus 1, plus 4 into sine 90, 1, 1, 1. Minus 1, minus 1, minus 1, minus 3, plus 4 into 1 into 1, that is 4, minus 3 plus 4, 1 is the answer. So, second option is correct. A plus B plus C is equal to 0 degrees. Here we can take different forms. A, B, C. For suppose 30, 30 minus 60. Then only the sum is 0. 45, 45 minus 90. The sum is 0. Next 60, 60 minus 120. Okay, students. So you can take like this. Or you want general method? You want general method? Okay, now for suppose you are taken 30 degrees. See the options. A by 2. A 30 degrees means A by 2 what? 15 degrees. Sine 15. Root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. So the calculation is going to difficult. If you are taken 45, A by 2, 45 by 2 how much? 22 and a half degrees. Sine 22 and a half degrees. The calculation is difficult. Take 60. A 60 means A by 2 how much? 30 degrees. Sine 30, cos 30. We know very well. Those calculation very easy. So finally, I am going to take the values like this. Okay. Now first substitute in the question sine 60 plus sine 60 plus sine minus 120 sine 60 degrees root 3 by 2 plus sine 60 degrees root 3 by 2 sine of minus theta minus sine theta sine 120 degrees, that is root 3 by 2. Here see the calculation. These two is going to cancel. In the question we got answer is root 3 by 2. Now I am going to verify the first option. See 2 sine A by 2. A means 60. 60 by 2 how much, friends? 30. Sine 30. Sine 30. What is sine 30? What is sine 30? That is 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2. So what we are getting? 1 by 4. This is wrong answer. And second option, see that? Second option, what we get? But here, all options having sine A by 2, sine B by 2, sine C by 2 only. How can we get the answer? Tell me. Okay. See here. This term sine C by 2 I am written mistake. Because what is C? Minus 120. Here I want to write minus 60 or not? Sine of minus 60. What is that? minus root 3 by 2. So answer is minus root 3 by 4. This is wrong answer. So students, which option is correct? I am expecting that fourth option is correct because minus 4 sine 30 sine minus 60. So that means minus 4 1 by 2 1 by 2 minus root 3 by 2 2 2 4 minus into minus plus root 3 by 2. Yes, it is satisfied. Then what about second option and fourth option, students? Second option, you will get root 3 by 4. This is wrong answer. Then fourth option, you will get minus root 3 by 2. This is also wrong answer. Okay, I am written directly. So finally, fourth option is correct. Now see the students. 17th question. Observe here. If you are done verification method, verification method, for suppose take S 90 degrees. S is 90 degrees. Then what is A plus B plus C? A plus B plus C 180 degrees. Then what you want to take ABC values? 60 degrees. If you are taking ABC value 60, fourth option, third option, you will get same answer. How? In fourth option, there are two cos terms, one sine. In second option, two cos, one sine. In third option also, there are two cos, one sine. But in front of both the terms, 4 is there. So you will get the answer. Third and fourth option is same. Third and fourth is same. Then how to do that? How to do that? So here verification method not possible. That's why I'm going to general method. What is general method? Already you are done in IP long answer. Same method. Sin S plus sin S minus A plus sin S minus B plus minus sin S minus C. See that take two terms, one unit. First term, sin C plus sin D, 2 sin C plus D by 2. Then what do you get? S plus S minus A by 2. Cos S minus S plus A by 2. Plus remaining two terms, sin C minus sin D. 2 cos C plus D by 2. S minus B plus S minus C by 2. Sin S minus B minus S plus C by 2, like this. Okay, students, here 2 sin, what is that? 2S minus A by 2. Cos S cancel. So you will get A by 2 plus 2 cos S plus S 2S. 2S minus B minus C by 2. Sin minus S plus S cancel. Minus B plus C. Minus B plus C by 2. Okay. Now here take that A plus B plus C 2S. Then what is A? 2S minus B minus C. Divide with 2. Substitute here. 2s minus b minus c by 2 means a by 2 or not? Right. Next, 2 sine 2s minus a by 2 cos a by 2 2 cos a by 2 sine of minus theta minus sine theta. So here you will get b minus c by 2. Okay. And here again, what is b plus c? That is 2s minus a. Substitute here. Okay. Now in both the terms, what is the common, students? In both the terms, what is the common? That is 2 cos a by 2 is the common. Remaining sine, here b plus c by 2 minus sine, here b minus c by 2. Now this is in the form of sine of a plus b minus sine of a minus b. What is the formula? 2 cos a cos b or not? That means 2 cos b by 2 sine c by 2. Enough. 2 into 2, what? 4. Write in particular order. That means first a, next b, next c. See here, first two terms are cos, third term is sine. So which option is correct? First two terms are cos, third term is sine. Which option is correct, students? Second option or not? Right. So please copy this.